Self-Care Sunday and I'm doing my hair, and I just wanted to play with my new Young Living makeup. So what you see here is my nice rose Young Living lip gloss, my eyeliner, and mascara. That's it. That's all I wear for makeup. That's all I wear. So you see here the lip gloss. It's Savvy Minerals by Young Living. It's all natural, cruelty-free, all natural ingredients. Also another Young Living product. And the mascara, this is the volumizing mascara, which I really like. The mascara. And then this is the eyeliner, which I've never used eyeliner in a powder form. I don't know, maybe that's just my, I don't use much makeup, so this maybe is just my not knowing much about makeup, but I found it's in powder form. So I dipped my brush dry and just, kind of outlined like I would do an eyeliner. It worked really well. Actually better than a pencil. Kind of like back in the day when I used liquid eyeliner, it kind of gave me that same sense. And you can also use it wet, which I haven't done. So if you're interested in seeing a tutorial of the eyeliner, which I'll love to try and show you the eyeliner and dry and wet, in the comments write, I want to see the eyeliner demo, and I'll be glad to do that for you. I so enjoyed my self-care Sunday and playing with my makeup. So as you can see, I've got my makeup on now, and now you're going to see our demonstration of the Einkorn flour flatbread.
I open my eyes a little too fast, starting to forget the dream that sung me here. I get out of bed looking for a paper trail of reflections that remind me of who I am. There will be a voice behind you saying this is the way. Don't look to the right, don't look to the left. You may hear 1,000 voices calling you another way, but you will know that heavenly sound calling your name. My eyes on the prize, my mind on the spirit, letting go of all the shame that took root in me. It's easy to get pulled back into familiar chains, but I cast away all the fear and let love reign. There will be a voice behind you saying this is the way. Don't look to the right, don't look to the left. You may hear 1,000 voices calling you another way, but you will know that heavenly sound calling your name. Oh, there will be a voice behind you saying this is the way. Don't look to the right, don't look to the left. You may hear 1,000 voices calling you another way, but you will know that heavenly sound calling your name.
So as you can see, I have the makeup on. I'm wearing the Young Living lip gloss, the volumizing mascara, and the eyeliner. And also want to show you my apron. So stepping back, so you can see the action here. I got my phone. I got pockets for my phone. There's the logo. I have some essential oils, pockets for my essential oils. Right? Always need your glasses and my pen. So, you know, like I could just be in the kitchen making my projects, making my fresh dough with my Einkorn flour, using my essential oils in my recipes, and I have my beautiful apron, really well made, really sturdy, and not a bad price at all. Great buckle with the adjusting, you know, for the size and for the fit. It's really a great little apron. I absolutely love it. So I've been into aprons lately, so I'm really going to enjoy my Young Living apron. Do you see the logo? I really like the logo. It's so pretty. So that is it. So I hope you enjoyed the basic tutorial. I will link below where I got my recipe for my Einkorn flatbread. The second time I made it, they looked much better and they tasted much better. So I'm actually working on getting a perfected dough. So I'm really loving the Einkorn. So the after effect, I've actually used up the bag and ordered like 2 more bags because my husband and I are noticing that eating the Einkorn bread, I don't feel like that weird stomach, you know, I used to get like weird stomach issues when I eat too much bread. I think I am gluten intolerant. And so I didn't feel those at all with the Einkorn. And it talks about having 14 chromosomes compared to the hybrid flour that has 42. So Einkorn flour, I am sold. So I'm gonna be making more bread. I'm trying to make more things homemade to stay away from the preservatives and move away from the sugar and all the processed ingredients. And I really, really like this flatbread with the Einkorn flour. So I hope you try it out. I hope you like it. And let me know what you think. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks again.